Hello everyone, I am Saksham back with the updates on TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring. I could not make video in the last couple of days, so updating you today. Okay, so many students have got the offer letter and many congratulations to all of you. Some students who have got the document verification mail have not got the offer letter, but they are getting the communication from HR about some certain aspects. So if it is not a big challenge or big eligibility issue, they will also soon receive the offer letter as well. Those students who have not received the document verification or offer letter yet, don't get disappointed. Wait for some time. You will also get the communication because it has just come last week. So maybe they will be sending the remaining offer letters, or if they have to ask for the documents first, so you will get the document verification mail. So be hopeful this week and for next week. Okay, TCS many times don't send a rejection mail, so if you have not got the uh, any mail, so don't think that you are rejected. You can keep your hopes till next week. I think it is a good time to wait for. And then if you don't get a mail till next weekend as well, then there would be some chances that you are not selected. But still, be hopeful. As of now, it has just started coming, and sometimes it takes time. Okay, so that is one thing which many students have asked. So I thought to mention it in the starting itself, and then remaining comments we can see. So today I got the offer letters from TCS, but on the next step portal they are asking for certification details. I think it is just a formality because there are no certified certifications mentioned as such, so you can ignore it. Sir, I want to contact you. How can I reach you? You can find a link in the description of this section and you can book an appointment from that link. Next. Sir, first phase of the exam, maximum everybody gets selected for smart, but in second phase, maximum everyone got Ignite offer letter. What is that? Second phase, who didn't even attempt the coding question got Ignite offer letter with around 3 LPA. Why this happened? I don't know if this is the case in first phase, second phase, but sometimes I am just guessing. There are requirements, and then if there are requirements, then they might, reduce the cutoff, and that is how some people get, Ignite as well. But you cannot, assume it because you don't know, exactly how many people in the first phase have got the Ignite or Smart. You might be knowing it from your connects, but they are not sufficient numbers to make a judgment. Okay, maybe this in the second phase that you are talking about, people have done really good. So there are a couple of possibilities, but you since we have limited visibility, so we can't assume it like that. Next, sir, please make a video on BGC form filling as the website has been changed. I think though website has been changed, the details are the same. Only the user interface has been changed. Okay, so it's not that difficult. If you have any particular query, you can ask us, and I will answer that. Anybody on 10 July got updates? Okay, I have a doubt. I have each semester marks statement because my children not issue separate original mark sheet for each sem. I have considered mark sheet which is going to that semester. So basically, background check team asks for each semester mark sheet. If you don't have it, then you go with the consolidated one. If they are okay, they will accept it. If they are not okay, they will ask you to arrange for the mark sheet, and then you have to understand from them that what can be done in that case. Got the offer letter for Ignite on 8th August. When can we expect joining? Joining letter can take some time, and location will depend upon the requirement. If they are requirement, you will get it. If not, then you will not get it. Next, so my exam was on July 16th. Is the result released? The candidates who appeared in that exam. Results are coming for the July candidates. So just wait and watch. सर मेरे आधार में फादर नेम राम चतुर्वेदी, बट इन माई मार्कशीट्स और पापा के आधार कार्ड पर जो मेन है प्रूफ है उसमें राम रतन चतुर्वेदी में से एक गैप है, तो ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए because it's understood. So I don't think so. If they have objection, they will connect with you, but I think that can be well justified. That's okay. And एड्रेस में अगर नंबर गलत हो गया है तो वो आपसे कांटेक्ट कर लेंगे, तो that's not a big deal. No one BGC is rejected because of the address. It's fine. So I haven't been selected by the interview for an Ignite interview. If you have done well and it was not very good, then you will get, if not Ignite, then smart offer. So that is always there. Chances are always there. So I received a doc verification mail on 7th August about call HR for asking for probation. I said I don't have it. They will said you have to get them, something like it. Yeah, good chances, because not everybody have the professional degree. So whatever time you have asked for it, maybe they will wait or they will issue, because you have clearly cleared all the interview processes. So wait for some time, and I'm very hopeful that you will get the offer letter. सर मेरा इंटरव्यू 5 जुलाई को TCS नोएडा में हुआ था, स्मार्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए, तो कोई मेल नहीं आया दर्शन का. वेट करिए, आप वेट करिए, इट कैन टेक सम टाइम. Sir, I gave my interview on 8 July in Pune, but still I didn't get any mail. But there is some candidate who attended interview, documentation that's good. You should wait for some time. I'm telling, as I have been telling, the results are still being announced. So wait positively with hopes. So after accepting the Ignite offer, the B section open. Now how many months will we get to fill the basic? Currently I don't have passport and mark sheet, etc. So basically BGC you can do till 120 days, but it will be good if you do it as soon as possible. For passport you can upload when you apply for passport you get an application form, acknowledgement form, right? So you can use that is acceptable. And for mark sheet, you will have most of the mark sheets, but you will not have the current sem mark sheet, which is fine, and you can submit it without that as well. Whenever the joining will come, they will again ask you for the documents, and that is where you can upload your final sem mark sheet. Okay, so the application form option is not visible in the next step portal. It means rejection or not, but application is well. Wait for some time, if it is a bad status, that means still there are hopes. Okay, next I have two queries. I received doc verification mail on 6th August and I sent this document. Exception portion is just I got a mail for saying for successful learning, please collect your professional degree certificate. I mailed them, applied for and getting 10 days. Last time I got a call from them because I did my last verification, so they did the application form again. And if I fill the correction, wait, they wanted to give you the offer, and that is why they are making this correction. Okay, so good chances that you will soon get the offer letter. So this TCS and the Smart and Ignite hiring results are same date. How many send the mail of September organization offer the same day, same day. So no, sometimes it takes time. No, and I have seen in the past also the offer letter has been released in batches. So some students have got early, some students have got late. So it is not like that in one day only they will announce all the result. In the next step portal, they certificate, ignore that. I don't think so. Next, in my birth certificate I have a local language and translated English for version. Is it okay? No, that is fine. Sir, I have received an offer letter on June 1st and I should June document. So if you have got the offer letter, then doc verification mail is sent before the offer letter. I think you're asking about joining. So joining can take some time. So just wait and watch. So TCS send the results in batches wise. Yes, TCS send results in batches. So there are good chances that the remaining students will also get offer letter in coming weeks. So I completed TCS Smart Hiring 24 exam on 16 July. Wait for some time. Got this offer letter until 8 July. Congratulations. does TCS and rejection mail? Sometimes they do, but many times they don't. Like a joining letter, this year was point any. I got offer letter 27 May. I think you will get it. Wait for some time. I got offer 24 May, no senses in location. Now, it happens that not everybody gets the joining letter in the same time. So that is completely fine. You will also get your joining soon. So wait patiently and positively. I got the offer letter today. Many congratulations. TCS NQT updates, no updates. The TCS team, my connection TCS team is saying it will come soon, and when that soon will happen, I don't know. I don't have any update. Whenever I will get the update, definitely I will make the video. I'm not making the video because I don't have a concrete update. So as soon as I get anything, I will definitely share with all of you. Wait for some time. So TCS injection may or not. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but majority of the times they don't. But don't think you are rejected. Wait for some time. Even they release the result in batches, and it can take some time. Okay. Deadline to fill BGC form is 120 days, but it would be good if you finish it as soon as possible, because sometimes joining is associated with that. I have got offered for Ignite and my BGC is open now, but I haven't proceeded yet. It can affect, but better you fill your background check. Don't wait for delaying it. Receive log docs. You will get it soon. Give them enough time to verify documents. So receive offer letter, but it didn't mention about providing MC. Only mentioned salaries for 2.8 LPA. So 2.8 LPA is Ignite offer, and in Ignite offer they have an option of pursuing your MCA degree from Shastra University. So that was mentioned in the advertisement when they launched. So that doesn't come in the offer letter. So you will get a chance. Okay, if don't think that application status in the next step portal is bashed, so it means you are rejected. Don't worry, wait for some time. To the next 2 weeks, you still have hopes. What is the salary in 1 year training in TCS Ignite, which is better, TCS Ignite and Cognizant analyst training? I think whatever joining you are getting first, you can go with that. It is mentioned Ignite or Smart. I didn't Ignite. So if your salary CTC is 2.8, that means it is an Ignite offer. If it is 1.96, that means it's a Smart offer. Joining can take time, so wait for some time now. Is TCS sending? I think it is it is a one hiring. Okay, they are not different hiring, so I don't think so they will send separately Smart and Ignite letters. It is one hiring, it is not two hirings. Okay, so I think both the results can come on the same time, and they will not differentiate it. That is what my understanding says. Wait for some time before making any assumption that you are rejected. Okay, so my name is Krishan Paul, and I have taken but I don't think so. I will get all my mark sheet till 31st. Then this is what I could. I see my offer letter. I would like to know. Ideas when next week is done. You will get your joining letter in some time. Joining comes in batches, and be happy about your offer letter. Joining will also come, but it can take some time. It happens in batches, so wait for it patiently. Okay, all those who have not got the result, wait for it. Okay, I think we have covered all the comments. I think majority are about they have not received any mail on about document verification on joining letter. So wait patiently. Yes, I have seen this trend in the past as well, that TCS send the result in batches, and there are good chances that you will get the mail of offer letter or document verification this week or next week. Okay, so be hopeful. All right, thank you so much.